Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to turn off double SMS notifications on iPhone. So to do that just go to settings and here tap on notifications and go down and we have here messages. Okay, and now go down again. And here in the bottom we have customized notifications, just enter. And here we have repeat alerts. Okay, and if we enter inside, we'll see that it's checked once. And to turn off this feature, just tap never. And now you will receive the SMS notification just once. The alerts will not be repeated anymore. Okay, so it is very easy. I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.